human animals. If you and I were animals, you'd be a lumbering elephant in a rumbling herd, creating a caustic quagmire out of a neat mud-walled homestead. I'd be among horses, fine muscles gleaming in the evening sun as we gallop rhythmically over green hills under a pale blue sky. If you and I were animals, you'd emerge from the dirt as a termite, your colony having turned all before it to dust. I'd be a honeybee, producing with my comrades sweet golden nectar for the world to sup. If you and I were animals, you'd be in a swarm of locusts, laying waste to tidy ancient olive groves. As a butterfly, my paintbrush, floating on a canvas of air, will be as welcome as morning dewdrops on languid, leathery leaves. If you and I were animals, you'd be a rough-necked vulture, waiting for the lion to breathe its last before gorging greedily from its guts, deep in the stinking caverns of its rotting carcass. I'd be the vivid-hued kingfisher, diving into clear, still water for my fresh fish, or the flamingo, resplendent in the setting sun on the banks of the Jordan River. Yes, nature in all its wondrousness has created animals of all kinds and placed them together on this lush, fragile planet. It is the ugly, evil, human animals, jealous of the beauty and goodness in the rest of us, that rain down fire, borrowed from the devil, on those that plant pretty pearls of poetry, gifted by God. Planted in the knowledge that our seeds will spring forth through the rubble and blossom, the laughter from their bellies matching the beauty of their faces, their hearts full of love, full of joy, full of freedom.